Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker Desktop running and Vscode installed with the Remote Containers extension. Open your project folder. If you don't have one, create a minimal Docker file and a Docker Compose. IML now. Next, make sure Docker can build images. Run Docker build locally to catch obvious errors. Once done, open the command palette in Vscode and choose Remote Containers. Open folder in Container to begin the containerized development flow. You will now build the development container and attach Vscode to it. From the command palette, pick Remote Containers. Reopen in Container. Vscode builds the image using your Docker file or Docker Compose, then installs listed extensions inside the container. While building, watch terminal output for missing packages and fix Docker file if necessary. Once the container is running, Vscode mounts your workspace and forwards ports. Make sure volumes and port mappings are correct, so tools and servers inside the container are reachable. Finish by validating the development experience. Open the integrated terminal, run unit tests, and start the debugger to ensure breakpoints work. This confirms tooling inside the container is correct. Make adjustments in dev container. JSON for forwarded ports, additional run args, or environment variables as needed. If something goes wrong, try a rebuild, Remote Containers, rebuild container. And if that fails, restart Docker Desktop and inspect container logs with Docker logs. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.